you think I pulled you over? And before you answer, before you say you're not speeding.
All right, good morning guys. We're here at Protective Film Solutions. Manu from New Rally has organized the drive to the HRE event this morning. So we're standing next to Manu's car from New Rally and Mark's car from Hyper Rally. Currently the only two rally companies that we go on, so in my opinion, the best. So pretty excited. They always have some incredible cars, so let's check out some cars. It's gonna be a great drive, and I think it's gonna be an incredible event. Check it out.
I heard it, I was just like, I saw the two Lamborghinis over here, and I'm like, you know, that actually sounds really nice. So came over here, just waited a little bit. I heard two other ones. I was like, I wonder where they're going, because it stopped in this area. And sure enough, here you guys are. So
love it. Well, you know what? That's what it's like. Sometimes that's why I want to stop and talk to you, because it's like people don't realize, like, it's like the service you guys provide, but you're also car enthusiasts. You guys like that. So
exactly.
Just to see you come by, interact, check out the cars, that's really cool. So a lot of respect, and thank you so much for the service that you provide.
You're very welcome, guys. Yeah, you're very welcome.
So, but that was just awesome. Stop by, came to check out the cars. Just another car guy. So we're in a terrible position right now because the first group took off, they're up ahead, they're flying. So in a rally, you never want to be in the back, because in the back, you get picked off. The cops called on them, so when the cops set up, they're gonna get the guys in the back. So you never want to be in the back, that's where we currently are. So it's like playing chess. We gotta try to get to the front as safely and strategically as possible. Back to driving. He's like, we're here. Wow, this thing is packed. It just starts at 9, but there's already, it was crazy to get in here. This is gonna be off. What do they say that's cool? It's off the hook, comes natural. You know, it's gonna be off the hook. Am I allowed to say that? Got pulled over, leaving HRE event.
Get your license, registration, proof of insurance.
How you doing, sir?
Good. Let me get your license, registration, proof of insurance.
I'm looking for the registration and insurance on my phone right now,
Why
sir.
do you think I pulled you over? And before you answer, before you say you're not speeding, there are 30 people, everybody's recording. You guys got to slow down. If you hit someone steps out in the road, you see how many pedestrians are out there?
Yes, sir.
And then you hit someone, guess who's got to clean that up?
You, sir.
Exactly. Let me get your proof of insurance.
Give me.
Well, let me get your registration.
Let me.
999
Oh. I didn't think we were speeding when we left, so I don't know what happened there. We're gonna have to see. Sky's filming right now while I'm talking to you on the phone. Hopefully, Wally, your license is not suspended, my friend.
I know, I was going to. This sucks. I spent the weekend in jail.
Jesus. I just don't know. I literally didn't think we were speeding.
We were going 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
There was a couple like we were going 5, I seen you on top of the hill. We were going 5 miles an hour.
My name is Anthony Nino, sir.
Anthony, what?
Anthony Nino?
Okay. You with the rest of these guys?
Well, no,
Okay.
I do.
Don't need all of that right
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes,
Step
sir.
aside the road.
No problem, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Go ahead and pull out. Leave.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Gotta slow down.
Yes, sir. Hey, I really appreciate it.
Come on, man. I'm staying on the road.
By the look on my face, if I'm looking at you and I'm not blinking, if I'm like this, help me, help me.
So worst case scenario, hopefully my brother just takes the car back and then
Well, if you look down, I parked in the next parking lot and I'm walking back to you. Like, I'm not gonna leave you. What? Well, yeah, I'm right here, right down the street. So Wally's back here. He got pulled over. Wally thinks his driver's license is suspended. He doesn't know, but the police officer let the other two of us go, kept Wally. So we're gonna see what happens right now.
Wally, you're in the passenger seat of your car. So Holmes got arrested right now.
My man, content.
So apparently my license is still suspended. He says, sir, you have a most outrageous and horrible driving record.
Did he really?
I was like, really? My license suspended? I was like, I got this paperwork. He's like, I don't need to see the paperwork. I'm like, it's from the court. He's like, I don't care. I don't need to see it. He's like, you have two options. You could go to jail or you could shut your mouth.
Wow.
And I was like, in my head, is like, do I talk shit? And I was like, well, sir, I'm trying to show you if you would let me speak. He's like, I don't want you to speak. So I was like, okay. And then I was sitting there and then he starts talking and then he asked me a question. And I'm like, so can I speak? And then he's like, you want to go to jail, don't you? So I was like, man, like.
You know, at the end of the day, you're in the passenger seat. You're here with us. You didn't go to jail, right?
We're gonna go to the entrance of the freeway and I'm still gonna drive back. Cause what? YOLO!